So first of all, let me congratulate you for taking this business planner interactive version. So I'll show you how to use this version to plan and track your business progress. Before you get started, you can see one follow me link in this page. So click there and come to my YouTube channel. You will get a lot of valuable content out there, and you can use all those information to grow your business. So click the button below and follow me there. And then here we have given one QR code. So you can easily scan the QR code and book a consultation appointment with us. And my team will help you to use this planner, or how to plan your business, or how to track it. My team will support you with it. So you can just scan this QR code and book an appointment, and that is totally free for you. Okay. The first page of planning is this. So you need to fill few things inside. So what is the profit you want to achieve in next 1 year? So you need to fill it here. Then what is your present sales conversion rate? Sales conversion rate is, you will get the number when you divide the number of leads you have taken and the number of leads got converted out of it, uh, and multiply it with 100. Okay, so you'll get your sales conversion rate. So mention that. And once you mention these two things, next is you need to break down your profit goal into 4 quarters. Say example, your profit goal for 1 year is 1 crore. You should divide it into 4, maybe 25 lakhs every quarter. For some business it works. Some business in the first quarter the turnover will be less, but in the final quarter they will have more profit. Okay, so divide it into 4 and fill it. And after that, I have given one marketing pitch creator. This slide is very important because sometimes the marketing fails because of not having a clear marketing pitch. So you need to be very clear to whom you are selling to. Second, what are you selling? Third, what benefit will your customers get when they purchase this product from you? You need to be very clear with it, and I want you to write in this. And also, to create a beautiful perfect pitch, I recommend this pattern to everyone. You write a letter to your friend, considering that your friend is going to be your customer, he needs your product. Now you are pitching your product to your friend. Okay, now write a letter. So when you do this, you will realize what to be talked to your customers, and how short it has to be, and how it should address their pain point. So use this slide wisely. Next is, you need to analyze your present business and future business after using this planner. Okay, or whatever the business goals I'm teaching you, you must implement it and analyze it with your past. Right. So write down your present turnover, and what are the overheads you have right now, and what is your total marketing expense. Okay, so your net profit right now today will be total turnover minus your overheads minus your marketing expense. So that will be your net profit. Okay, and what is your target? You need to mention that also. So it can be your 1 crore total turnover, and what um, when you achieve that much, okay, what will be your overheads and what will be your marketing expense. So marketing expense you can put straight 20%, the maximum marketing expense. But overheads, it depends on business to business. If you are into digital business, then overheads may still remain same. But if you are into production and manufacturing and sales, the manufacturing cost may increase considering to the turnover you are achieving. So write down all these figures and calculate what will be your net profit when you achieve that turnover with these overheads and marketing expense. So write these. This will give you a very good clarity on where you are heading to. This is very important. Okay, please do that. Next step is, you need to have a clear calculation for every month. So one thing you need to understand, if you do not have a plan, you will execute nothing. Okay, so if you want to execute something, you should have proper plan. So what is that proper plan? Proper plan is this. So write down your product price. Okay. Second step, what is your margin per sale? When you sell, I have given an example here. Say example, your product price is 10,000 rupees and you have 5,000 rupees of margin over that. And your target goal is 1 crore in a month. Okay. It's 1 lakh in a month. Okay. So the total sales you need is 20 sales. Okay. To achieve that 1 lakh profit, you should have 5,000 into 20. And for that, if you say 10 percentage is your conversion rate, you will have to take 200 leads. Lead cost may be like 100 rupees per lead. So your ad budget will be 200 leads into lead cost, that is 100. It will be 20,000. So when you read it, it will be like this: you should spend 20,000 in your ad budget and you should generate at least 200 leads with a maximum lead cost of 100 rupees, in which you need to maintain a sales conversion rate of 10 percentage. That is, you need to sell at least 20 times in this from these 200 leads. And when you do that, you will generate 1 lakh profit based on the 5,000 rupees as margin, right? So that's how we read it back. So every month you should have a clear statement on what is going to be the figures for you. When you have this, then it is easy for you to achieve, right? So write it down for the entire year for 12 months. And once that is done, you have the figures with you. You have the figures of your quarterly plan. Now you write it here in such a way that you are going to achieve it. Okay. So when you write it, your brain will focus more on it. The brain will feel that this is going to happen actually, and it will start believing that this is happening. Okay. So my projected revenue for the month is how much? On my projected revenue, I will make profit of this much. Total sales I need to achieve my revenue is this, and the total leads I need to take to close these sales is this. Read it and write it and save it. All right. Now let's get into the tracking of the thing. Now we have a monthly goal of say example 1 lakh or 10 lakhs. Okay. So on the right side top, you write the calendar month. If it is January 2023, you mentioned that January 2023, because when you save it for your future reference, that will be very helpful. And after that, you come back to the three column. The first one is you write the figures for your month, for the entire month of January. And after that, you write it for your weekly goal. So the monthly goal divided by 4 is your weekly goal. So write it down, and then everyday goal. So I will say you divide your weekly goal by 6. Consider 1 day as holiday. So that is going to be the figures you will have to target to achieve. Okay. So write it down, calculate it, write it down. Once you write this page full, then you will clearly know what is your daily activity focus. How many leads to be taken every day, how many sales to be done every day, what is going to be your revenue, and what profit you will make every day. Like this for every week and for every month. So plan it accordingly. And from next slide onwards, you write first from which date to which date is your first week. Write the date on the top. Then day 1, on just over the day 1 where you see the day 1, write that date. Okay. If it is Monday, if it is Monday 1st January, you write the date on the top. Then consider it is the day 1. Then you mention in the evening how many leads you have taken. For example, if you have taken 50 leads, mention that 50. And after that, you have closed 5 deals, 5 sales, then write 5 sales. Then revenue you have made is like 25,000, and minus overheads and marketing, what is your profit, you write it down. So every day you need to keep this written, right? How many leads, how many sales, how much revenue, how much profit. Every day you need to write this. This is because when you write this, you will understand what has happened on the previous day. Okay. Next. So this is week 2, and we have week 3, and we have week 4. So we put it like 4 weeks. Okay, so when you fill this, you will have the entire month's performance with you, and you write the monthly review. Okay, so put the date, and then mention how many leads were you projecting. Okay, how many leads you wanted, and how many leads have you taken. That is in the first box. Second, what was your sales target and how much did you achieve. Third one, what was your revenue target and how much did you achieve? And the fourth is, what was your profit target and how much did you achieve? You write all these things and sit with your sales manager and ask him what was the plus and minus happened in your business in the last month. If you could achieve the business goal, how could you do that? If you could not achieve it, why, what went wrong? Okay, and after that, you also write your remarks and save it. Once you do this, let me reassure you, this is going to change a lot of things in your business. You will get focus on what you are selling. If you are selling many products in which some products are not generating enough revenue for you, you will change it after doing this. You will focus only on profit making products, right? So once you do it for 3 months, then we have this quarterly review slide for you. You can do monthly, every 1 month, second month, third month, every month review. You can write it down there, and then we have yearly review. You can analyze your entire quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4, and you can keep it saved. So this gives you an overview of your business performance in the last 1 year, right? Next is, you can sit with your team, then their team, and you can note down what is your latest sales conversion rate. I'm pretty sure your sales conversion rate will really have improved. Okay, your present profitability rate, how much, what was the good things you did in the last 1 year and bad things, and what is the new ideas to improve in your next year, and what actions to be taken. Okay, so write down all these things. And if you are using a beautiful CRM, then a planner with one CRM account is going to be perfect for you to entirely manage all these things, right? So congratulations. Now you implement this planner in your business, and I'm glad that you have reached so far. You might have got a lot of insights how to grow your business. Please take action, grow your business. Wish you all the very best. Follow me in my YouTube channel. You will get a lot of sessions to improve your business profit there. So you can click the button and follow me in my YouTube. And also, I have a beautiful course designed for achieving this 1 crore business profit in 3 different models. Okay, high ticket, mid size, and low price. Okay, so take that, implement those things in your business, and go achieve your dreams. Take care. Bye bye.